I don't need me a basketball player. All I need is somebody that's down for me. And he don't have to have money. His love is just like honey, it's so sweet to me. He can have everything in this world, but I sacrifice it all for me. And I made up my mind, I'm in love this time and day. Feels so real, and I know that he won't break my heart. And I know that we won't never part. This time for us to settle now.